Introduction: introduce the topic and emphasize the importance of discussing this sensitive subject. Mention that the experiments were conducted during World War II in Nazi concentration camps. Historical context: briefly discuss the period of World War II and the rise of Nazi influence in Europe. Mention the establishment of concentration camps as part of the Nazis' repressive system. Sleep-related experiments: explore different types of sleep-related experiments conducted in concentration camps. Highlight that these experiments were primarily led by Joseph Mengele in the Auschwitz concentration camp. Detail the methods used to prevent prisoners from sleeping, such as the use of chemicals, physical torture, and uncomfortable positions. Experiments in detail: sleep deprivation: explore how prisoners were forced to stay awake for extended periods, with devastating effects on their physical and psychological health. Chemicals: describe the chemical substances used to keep prisoners awake or induce forced sleep, as well as their negative effects on the body. Torture methods: describe how prisoners were subjected to physical torture to prevent sleep, including beatings and uncomfortable positions. Impact on prisoners: discuss the severe consequences of these experiments on prisoners, including the deterioration of their physical and mental health. Mention that many victims died as a result of these experiments or suffered long-term traumas. Responsibility and justice: emphasize that the Nazi experiments were crimes against humanity, and those responsible were judged and sentenced in the Nuremberg trials. Discuss the importance of these trials in establishing international standards for human rights and medical ethics. Lessons learned and conclusion: conclude by highlighting the importance of learning from history and preventing the repetition of such atrocities. Emphasize the significance of respecting human rights and ethics in research and medicine to ensure that such events do not recur.